Yeah. So I think in this section we are going to cover something called as predicting a flow. So what is predicting a flow? Predict flow is a feature wherein I can predict one flow from another flow, right? So if I'm in this customer support flow, in our last flow that we covered was a banking flow that we have created. So what if I want to navigate from one flow to another flow? How do I do that, right? So what we will do is, what I'll do is, we'll just go here. So there is already a flow created. So there is, as you can see, there's customer support flow and main bank flow. So some demo flow that we have created. So what I'll do, I'll just go here, uh, create one user input, right? And basically add something as go to bank flow. If someone says go to bank flow, add this keyword. Let me just copy this, add this, save it, go here, and let me just add. No, I'm just adding, I'm just naming it as, I'm just navigating to a go to bank flow just to create that contrast. Technically, it doesn't make sense that customer support bot is taking it to a bank flow. But just to create that contrast, let me just do that, save this, right? And so if you see, if the user select go to bank flow, it would be taken here, right? And what I'll do is, there is something called as predict flow. So in predict flow, if I click on this, it just tells me, it lists all the flows that have been created on this account. So I have to select main bank flow as the chat flow, and I save this. So once I save this, I'll save and publish it, right? So automatically it should be navigated to this flow, to the main bank flow that have been created. So I publish this, and what I'll do is I'll just start this chat flow. Let me just exit it. Okay, I say hi. So once I say hi, all right, I think this chat flow is active. So it has created, once I say hi, I'm getting this option, and there is one new option added called as go to bank flow, right? So once I click on go to bank flow, it's going to take me to the bank flow that had been created, right? As you can see, it just navigated from one flow to another flow just by me listing, predict flow, and it's taking me to the bank flow. And if you see here, this bank flow is entirely a new flow, and it has entirely a big journey, right? If you can see, it's very vast chat flow that we have, right? And how is this useful? One, having predicting a flow from another flow, it is useful that it is navigating, right? It is, I can create one chat flow, a sub flow, and then I can reuse that for multiple flows, right? One. The second use case is, it also makes the chat flows concise, right? Maybe I build a chat flow just for a particular purpose, I create another flow for just another purpose, and then I collate that into one separate flow that brings them all together, so it becomes manageable that way, right? So this is the use of predicting a flow from another flow. I'll just delete this option because this is not fitting in this customer journey flow, customer support flow. So yeah, so in our next section we're still going to talk about the other features that chatbot builder provides, and so stay tuned. Thank you.